All right. So on the opening bell, we had that left elbow right here. As soon as it snapped, here, let's get under the hood. So let's go under here, MMTs, and let's make sure that that you can understand that this is this bar, 306.88, 97 pennies. Look at that. And it just kept rising all the way up. Look at here. Next line up, 307.46. And then slide that bid. And I told you I had guys in Apple right away, but that's time to sell up here into that teeny top. So what we're going to do now, we're about 12 minutes into the tape at 6, what is it? No, about 6:42 on the opening bell, AM Pacific Standard Time. So basically we're going to watch and see if how we consolidate at the highs here based on this staying above 85. And that bid and ask ratio, well, if it starts to not go the right direction and it slides that bid, you got to close below half of that bar on this top. On a 3-minute, 6, 9, on that 12. And I talked about this specifically in pre-market. And Apple so far has completed its task. Bam, they came right in and they just moved that thing right up. And this is how it's done. And each one of these are 20 pennies. So how many, what was the teeny high? Anyway, down here, Bill, all of you, everything that's working, you got your everything that's working right here. And check it out. Now, you're 2 minutes shy of a 15. And that teeny action line up there, it's still strong because it's well above half of this last bar. 308.15, it's 20 by 29 pennies. 20 by 29, 20 by 29. You can see it right here. Price action bar. So basically, it's this full bar was right here. This one here, you want to stay above it. Here, someone took my mouse. So watch the price action bar right there. And that's on the opening bell MMTs. And I already had people taking and selling into that because Scotty was getting long. He spotted it. But we had some of the senior traders pop that left elbow immediately. As soon as this buy bar happened right here, remember I told you, when you take out that half action buy bar, there was no looking back for the rest of that 3, 6, 9, 12 action bar on the opening bell. And everything is revved up down here below the hood. You can see where your ratio lows were. You can see where your TR high was. Okay? And you can currently see your things that you're going to need to see. Right here. On the opening bell. On Apple. MMTs. So your 1, 2 teenies. That's 40 pennies up and down right in here. And once again, 308.15. And it's 307.85 by 89. Okay? So the ratio's going that way. That top, that's at jeopardy. Look for slide half that bid. Sliding half of that bid. Right now it's 307 by 16 pennies, 17 pennies going off. So there's that price action bar, 308.15. It needs to go above that. It needs to stay above that to have that top sustainable in that price action in that platform. It's priced automatically before the opening bell right to the price. And one thing that's nice about it is an MMT gets to do exactly that. This is how it opened.
At 98, 100% on Google, 100% on Apple.
So here's that opening bell right dead here. There's that 3-minute buy bar. And these mathematical lines were all drawn naturally inside of here. They're dynamically calculated. They're market maker prices. And it calculates everything right to the penny before it ever happens, as you can see. And MMTs were empowered by that SMF bar right here, that 306.88, Once this thing here, this is at 306.29. Once that $1.21 came up above this bar right there, that's when the MMTs pop it. 369.12. It's floating up here at this price action. 308.15. It's struggling. 308.15. But now you got 19. You got 308.90 on it. But here's what it looks like. 369 to the 12 of the SMF Apple price action bar. Taken out right then and there. Look at those teeny up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 teeny up. 6 teenies. What is a teeny? Here. A teeny is, let's see if this info panel calculates. It's brand new. So let's take it off once and twice and see. So 20 cents a line. That's where this price action was taken out, and that's how the breakouts happen.